We called this the easy tiramisu because it genuinely is the easiest tiramisu that you'll ever make. So we put our butterfly in, mascarpone. Now we're adding some thickened cream, some icing sugar, and some vanilla bean paste. And we just blend that up. Ooh, it's looking good. And you know that it's done because it forms these soft peaks like that. And we're going to set this aside in the fridge while we finish the rest of the recipe off. And now without washing the bowl or my butterfly, I make my cake layer. One of the things that I love the most about this recipe is just how easy it is to make gluten-free, but not just that, it is the best gluten-free tiramisu you will ever taste. Now we want to just pour our cake batter into our prepared tin and bake that in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Now the cake's in the oven, I'm just going to quickly make my coffee soak. Personally, I think the stronger the better. Now we like Mr. Black's, but you can use Tia Maria or Kahlua as well. Was that too much, Ben? I was measuring it with my heart. Now that our cake has cooled, we get to the fun part, which is seeing just how easy this tiramisu is. So I want to take 1/3 of the cream mixture and spread it out over the base of my cake tin that I baked the cake in. And now we want to take our cooled cake and flip it over. And we just pop that in the base of our tray. And now we want to poke holes all through our cake. This is for our coffee syrup to soak into. And we just start drizzling that all over. And then we take the rest of our cream and we lay that on top. That is it. It is so quick and so easy. That's our tiramisu ready to go now into the fridge until it's ready to be served. I actually made this yesterday, but I'm gonna serve it up now. And I'm gonna see if Lani wants to try it. She actually hasn't tried it yet, but she loves tiramisu. Lani, do you wanna try the tiramisu? You ready? I'm excited. How is it? It's good? Mm-hmm. It is good. There you go. It is actually really good.